after the installation of the virtual environment, you can see in this particular folder all of these files are exist, and there is only one folder we are having right now, and that is our virtual environment folder. Okay, so inside this directory we are going to install our Django project. So in order to install it, we have to navigate through this particular folder first, and we have to activate our virtual environment first, then we're gonna start our project. So navigate through it just by typing cd and the name of the folder, then a script, then you have to activate this particular thing. And after activating you can see there is this particular thing is activated. Okay, so just type dir, and this is the activation file. Here you can see. Okay, so now I'm going back to my same directory. Okay, and after that we are going to install our Django. Okay, so type Django admin start project and then the project name. Okay, so the project name that I'm going to have is my site. Okay, so just hit enter and wait for while it will gonna automatically create a folder inside this particular folder. So let me see. Okay, this is the folder that we are getting right now. So you can see there's a my site folder, and this is the manage.py, and we have to navigate inside our manage.py so we can start our project. So here you can see that our Django version is before before starting, let me show you our Django version first. Okay, so this is the version that I'm having right now. Okay, so make sure that you have the same version. Okay, and let's navigate through it. Okay, and after that get inside this folder and type this python manage.py run server. Okay, so it will gonna create automatic server for us, and you'll going to see a newly installed Django project. Okay, so we have to wait it, and this is the server. Okay, so just click on it and it will take you to the to the page, or you can copy this particular URL and paste it on any browser you are having, maybe Opera, Firefox, Mozilla, Internet Explorer, whatever the browser you are having, you can easily copy and paste it. So as you can see, it is automatically installed this particular server, and after clicking on it, it is taking us to this particular page, and yeah, we successfully installed it. And into the next tutorial we are going to work on our creating our first application, and also we are going to create some models for our application, and we are going to query them. So thanks for watching guys, and hope you see in the next tutorial. Bye bye, take care.